Meaning of heliocentric.
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 Heliocentric. Heliocentric refers to the belief that the Sun is at the center of the solar system, around which the planets and other celestial objects revolve. This theory was first proposed by Nicholas Copernicus in the 16th century, overturning the previously accepted geocentric model which held that the Earth was at the center of the universe. The heliocentric model was later supported by the observations of Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler, leading to a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. Today, heliocentric is a widely accepted scientific concept that underpins our knowledge of astronomy and planetary science.